Hello guys, welcome back to another fixing video, and today in this video we're going to fix this Bluetooth neckband. And as you see guys, this right channel of this neckband cable is cut it into half, and that's the reason guys one of this earpiece is not working. I connected this Bluetooth neckband with my iPhone, and you guys can hear the music is coming from this earpiece, but this one is not working. So guys, today in this video we're going to fix this neckband. Power of the neckband. Guys, you need to open this right speaker. To open the ear speaker you need some kind of sharp screwdriver like this, and you need to pry it, and it is just glued, and eventually you can open it like this. It's not that hard. And we're going to desolder these two wires. So this side is the positive and this is the negative, and we're going to desolder it. To desolder the wire we just need a soldering iron. This is my soldering iron. It's pretty cheap, so if you want to buy these I will leave a link of the soldering iron in the description below. So we'll put some masking tape to fix this speaker here. It will be easy to desolder the wire. It's very difficult to solder or desolder on camera, but I'm trying my best guys. Guys, I just burned my hand soldering on the camera. It's very difficult to doing any kind of soldering on camera guys. So as you see guys, I just desoldered the wire. Now let's remove the wire. So as you see guys, the wire is removed. Next guys, we're going to remove this battery cover. So it's glued, and as you see over a period of time this glue is gone completely. Now here we have the battery and a board. So this side is positive and this is the negative. Now we need to desolder these two wire and desolder another wire here. And this is the battery, this side guys, here and here. This is the battery. So if you want to replace the battery, just simply desolder it and replace a new same size battery. That's how you guys can replace your neckband battery. It's pretty simple. For replacement cable I'm going to use this old audio cable, and it has 3 cord inside. So I don't have any problem. I'm going to replace this cable using this cable. So I need a little bit, so I'll take a little more than this much. Yeah, a little more. You guys can use any old headphone cable. So let's cut the cable. So here as you see guys, we have total 3 wires. We just need only 2. So we're not going to use this blue wire. We're going to use this golden and red wire. Red is positive and golden is ground. So we'll put some solder plugs in the wire. Now let's insert the cable. Now guys, we're going to solder these 2 wire here and this other 2 part on this speaker, and we are done. So I successfully replaced the wire. Now let's see whether both of these speaker is working or not. This is left hand side and this is right hand side. And here you can. So this is the left side and here is the right side. Now guys, let's put everything back together. Next guys, we're going to glue this battery cover. Before that we're going to clean all of this old glue. replace the cover. Leave the neckband couple of hours to dry the glue. And if you guys want to replace both of the side cable, you need to do same thing. I need to replace this side of cable and I will do same thing, guys. Side is not looking good, so I'm going to replace this cable too. So guys, the neckband is fixed and it's look like a brand new neckband. This neckband sound quality is awesome, guys. It's been near about 6-7 years I'm using this neckband. It's awesome. I have another neckband which I fixed maybe 1 or 2 years ago. So all of these were just filled up. Both of them are same neckband. So guys, that's the fix of this Bluetooth neckband. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys have any question, any suggestion, let me know in the comment section below. I definitely try to reply every one of your questions. That's being said, my name is Vijay. I'm signing out and I will meet you on my next video. Till then, bye bye.